Alrighty, here we go. We're going out to get the mail. We're just coming around the truck here. Things have been melting, and now it's like solid ice. Look at this, encased. Insane. I'm never gonna get out of here. Door locks, frozen solid. Of course, this is the north side. The ground, I'll show you the ground here, how hard it is. Frozen. I'll go out here and check the mail real quick. I bring a hammer. Bring the hammer for everything. I doubt it if we'll get any mail anymore to sleet through snow, through ice. Thing of the past. Insane. Ground is, yeah, you could ice skate out here. Woo. Whoa. Alright, mailbox. I came out here and beat the mailbox out the other day. Just in case we got the mail. No mail. Hit figure. Insane. A couple of people have been out here driving. Too slick for my likes. Woo! It's like a slip and slide out here. We'll just kind of slide down here to the... That was really slick. Well, we'll take a walk out here to the other side of the other driveway and look up the road. You have to see this. It looks covered in ice. The crunching sounds like I'm walking on frozen water over a lake. Now this ain't bad. Our street coming down the road, you know that is what they call black ice. Insane. The ground is frozen solid. Show you with my hammer. That is sleet. This is not snow. Whew. So there you have it. We went out and checked the mail.